Now we need to subtract a multiple of 10 from a 4-digit number, and we can do that using our knowledge of place value. So first we have 2,465 minus 50. So if we highlight our tens digits, we're subtracting 5 tens, and we have 6 tens in the number that we start with. So in our answer, we'll have 1 10, and all of our other digits will stay the same, so we get 2,415. Now 3,723 minus 40. This time, when we highlight our tens digits, we need to subtract 4 tens, but we only have 2 tens. So our hundreds digit will need to change as well, because we'll need to exchange. So if we highlight our hundreds digit as well, we can work out 72 minus 4, which is 68. So we can change these digits to a 6 and an 8. All of our other digits stay the same, so our answer is 3,682. Now 4,006 minus 60. If we highlight our tens digits, we need to subtract 6 tens, but we don't have any tens in the number we start with, and this time, when we go to the left, we don't have any hundreds either. So we need to go to the left again and highlight our thousands digit as well as our hundreds and tens. Now 400 minus 6 is 394, so we'll change these digits to a 3, a 9 and a 4, and the 6 stays the same, so we get 3,946. And finally, we have 7,043 minus 80. Highlighting our tens digits, we have 4 but need to subtract 8. So we go to the left, but because that's a 0, we go to the left again. And if we know that 704 minus 8 is 696, we can change these digits to a 6, a 9 and a 6, and the 3 stays the same because we're not subtracting any ones, so we get 6,963. Now let's take a closer look at these questions. First, we had 2,465. We were subtracting 50, so when we take away 5 tens, we have 1 10 in our answer, and all of our other digits stay the same. Or, using place value counters, we can see here 2,465, and if we subtract 5 of these tens, we can see that our answer is 2,415. Then we had 3,723 and needed to subtract 40. So we needed to subtract 4 tens. Now we can subtract 2 tens, but then what we need to do is exchange one of our hundreds for 10 more tens. So remember, we've already subtracted 2 tens, so to subtract 4, we need to take 2 more away. And that leaves us with 6 hundreds because we needed to exchange one of them, and we now have 8 tens. And of course, our thousands and ones digits have stayed the same. Or, using place value counters, we can show 3,723, but to subtract 4 tens, we can first subtract the 2 tens that we have, but then we need to exchange one of our hundreds for 10 tens, so that we can subtract 2 more, and that means we've taken 4 tens away altogether, but we now have 6 hundreds because we needed to exchange one of them. So you can see why highlighting the hundreds digit as well and working out 72 minus 4 gave us the 68, so the 6 hundreds and the 8 tens in our answer. Then we started with 4,006. We needed to take away 60, so that's 6 tens, but we don't have any tens. So what we can do is first exchange one of our thousands for 10 hundreds. So that's why our thousands digit of our answer is now a 3. But then we need to take one of our hundreds and turn it into 10 tens, or exchange it for 10 tens. So now you can see why we have 9 hundreds in our answer. We were taking away 6 tens, and when we do that, you can see that we now have 4 tens in our answer and our ones digit has stayed the same. Or using place value counters, we can start with 4 thousands and 6 ones, but to take away tens, we need to exchange one of these thousands for 10 hundreds, so that we can take one of those hundreds and exchange it for 10 tens. So now we can take 6 of those tens away, and that leaves us with 3,000 counters, 900 counters, and now 4 10 counters. Then, for our last question, we had 7,043 and needed to subtract 80, so 8 tens. We can take away the 4 tens that we start with, but now, to get more tens, first we need to exchange one of our thousands for 10 hundreds, and then we can take one of those hundreds and exchange it for 10 tens. So remember, we've already taken away the 4 tens that we started with, so to subtract 8 tens, we need to take 4 more away. And when we do that, you can see that we now have 6 thousands, 9 hundreds, and 6 tens. So that's why, to solve this question, we needed to highlight not just our tens digit, but our hundreds and thousands as well. And then working out 704 minus 8 gave us 696, which works because we have 6 thousands, 9 hundreds, 6 tens in our answer. Or if we show place value counters, to subtract 8 tens, we can subtract the 4 that we start with, but then we need to exchange one of our thousands for 10 hundreds, and then take one of those hundreds and exchange it for 10 tens. We've already subtracted 4 tens, so to take 8 tens away, we need to take 4 more tens away to give us 6,963.